Hello guys, how to fix if Action Center not opening in Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of issue, Action Center not opening, then here are the various workarounds to fix this issue. And the first workaround is edit modified group policy editor. Press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box and here type gpedit.msc and open local group policy editor in your system. In local group policy editor, from the left side under user configuration, expand administrative templates, choose a start menu and taskbar, select it, thereafter go to right side and here look for remove taskbar and notification, action center, remove notifications and action centers. Navigate this option, remove notifications and action centers. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and here disable this feature. Make the check against option disable and finally choose apply and OK from the bottom right corner to save the changes and check whether action center in your system is opening or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is install Windows latest update in your system. Update your operating system, go to Windows settings, from the left side go to Windows update, thereafter click on check for updates and if any updates available, download and install it in your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the on the next same Windows, click on update history. On the same page, click on update history and here scroll down and from the bottom of the page choose uninstall updates and if you have any installed updates recently, then uninstall it because this update may be a cause of Action Center not opening in your system. And check whether your Action Center in your Windows 11 system opening or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. And in command prompt Windows execute the command sfc scan now to check any corrupted files in your system. It will not only detect the issue, repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. After that, restart your system and check whether Action Center is opening or not. If not, go to the next fixes and the next one is launch run command box again by pressing Win plus R shortcut key and here type rstrui to open system restore windows. System restore system files and settings window will open. Here click on next and choose a system restore point. You may check against option show more restore points and select restore point and click on next and finally confirm your restoration point. Click on finish and check whether Action Center is opening in your system or not. If not, the last one is re-register Action Center. Open PowerShell as administrator mode in your system and in Windows PowerShell execute the command as shown on a screen. Execute this command in PowerShell Windows. This command path will also available in my video's description. You may copy from there. Simply copy it and paste it in command Windows PowerShell page and press enter. It will re-register your Action Center in your system. After that, restart your system